mu naught into, look here, what is the I1 value? 4. I2 value -2. I3 value 3. Look here now. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Finally we get 5 mu naught. What is the Ampere circuit law formula? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught into I net. I net means net current, all currents present inside the loop, into current taken as positive, out of the current taken as negative. Santosh Kumar, chudal fast ga. A current of 4 pi ampere flowing into the wire. The question is, find line integral of magnetic field induction. Santosh Chudalkonda. Find line integral of magnetic field induction. Line integral can be seen to apply Ampere circuit law. What is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dl is how much? According to Ampere circuit law, what is the integration of B bar dot L bar mu naught I? Here Nana, here mu naught value is given 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. I value also given 4 pi. Here, ఒక్కోసారి I value టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇలా ఇస్తున్నాడు 1/4 pi. Ampere is a unit of current nana. Here write 1/4 pi. Here 4 pi cancel. Finally we get 10 power minus 7. Look here. Look here now. The question is, magnetic field induction, determine magnetic field induction inside the current carrying wire, inside the current carrying conductor. Look here. This is the question. What is the question? Look here. This is the wire nana. Look here. Wire always is in the shape of cylinder. Look here. Here nana, this is the axis of the wire. On the axis, magnetic field always 0. The question is, magnetic field determine inside the current carrying wire. Intaki wire radius ఎంత అనుకుందాం? Capital R. Our point is here, there nana. This point is inside the wire. Inside the wire. This distance is small r. Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. The magnetic field is determined by using Ampere circuit law. What is the Ampere circuit law? Integration of B bar dot dl bar equal to mu naught I. Okay? Look here. This law applicable. First assume closed loop Ajit. Look here. This is the closed loop. This is the closed loop. Here I assume closed loop none. In the situation, point P, here I am going to call magnetic field. According to point P, I assumed a closed loop. Here tangent gives the direction of magnetic field and also gives the direction of dl. Okay, here tangent gives direction of magnetic field and also give the direction of l. Both are in same direction. This is right. A bar dot B bar, write as A B cos theta. Both are same direction. Theta is 0 degrees. Right side mu naught. Total current flowing I. But in this current can be taken. This current is I dash. Okay? Look here. 1 minute now. Total area pi capital R square. Given current is I. Look here. Total area current flowing is I. Unit area I by pi R square. Look here. Total area pi R square ki I. Unit area I by pi R square. Okay? Look here now. Pi R square ki I. Unit ki I by pi R square. Maniki kavalsina ఈ ఏరియా అంటే pi small r square. Pi small r square ki look here now. I by pi capital R square into pi R square. This is called I dash. Okay, once again I repeat. Nana pi R square ki pi capital R square ki ఇచ్చిన కరెంట్ ఎంతో చెప్తారా I. ఓకే, యూనిట్ కి I by pi R square. నానా మనకి కావాల్సింది pi small r square కి I by pi capital R square into pi small r square. This is called I dash. Okay, according to mathematics. Okay, look here now. Here right side I write mu naught. What is the I dash value? I by pi capital R square into pi small r square. Here left side cos 0 1. B right outside B. Integration dl L. Integration dl L. Here B okay. L is nothing but the circumference. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Right side mu naught I by pi R square into pi small r square. Pi what? Cancel. R what? Cancel. Finally write. Look here, neatly write mu naught I by 2 pi R square into small r. This is the ఈ తొక్కలవలంతా మనకు అవసరమా? ఏం అవసరం లేదు. బంగారు కొండలు ఇది తీసుకోండి. ఇది ఎప్పుడు నాన్న పాయింట్ P inside the conductor. What is the formula for magnetic field induction? Mu naught I by 2 pi capital R square into small r. Santosh, hold a bit. Point P is inside magnetic field induction formula is mu naught I by 2 pi capital R square into small r. This is the formula for magnetic field induction inside the wire. Okay, here. According to this situation, inside B directly proportional to small r. Simply, point P is here. Small r becomes 0. B also 0. Simply, on the axis magnetic field is 0. Point V shifts away from the center. Distance increases. Field also increases. Okay, this is the formula for inside. Up to ekkada daka, on the surface daka. Ippudu point P ikkada undi. Point P outside the wire, inside the wire, outside the wire. Outside the wire aithe we know the formula already. This is the long wire. Point B outside aithe B equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. This can be explained in the last week. Long wire, point B outside formula mu naught I by 2 pi r. Outside aithe B inversely proportional to r. Inside aithe B directly proportional to r. Okay, these two formulas are very important, Nana. What is the graph? Look here, x-axis, y-axis. Here r. Here what? B. R means what? Distance from point P to long center of the wire. That is axis of the wire nunchi point P kuna distance is smaller. Mari on the axis field is 0. Distance 0. B also 0. But inside B directly proportional to R. Simply straight line. This is inside inside. Up to small r becomes capital R. After point B outside inversely proportional to R. Inversely means in the mathematics y-axis, x-axis inversely, the graph shape is rectangular hyperbola. Here to here, O to A indicate inside B directly proportional to R. Ade A after here, this is outside. In the situation B inversely proportional to small r. Here small r is nothing but the distance from axis of the wire to point P. Okay, look here now. Look here now. B due to hollow conductor. Look here. This is the conductor, Nana. Look here. This conductor radius is capital R. Here hollow means the current flowing through the surface of the conductor, not flow inside. In the previous situation, current flow total conductor, current flow equally in the total conductor. This is hollow conductor. Hollow conductor means current flow through the surface of the conductor, not inside, Nana. In the situation inside the conductor, in this point here, in this point to determine B inside equal to 0, because this is the hollow conductor, no current flowing inside, no magnetic field. Next one, B surface, Nana. B surface, Nana. Mu naught I by 2 pi capital R. B outside, Nana. Already I give last week here there. This distance is small r. Finally write mu naught I by 2 pi r. Okay. This is all formulas are applicable for hollow conductor. Look here. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Up to here, simply small r becomes capital R. Before, no magnetic field nana. Here, after, out of the surface, B inversely proportional to R. Simply, the graph gives rectangular hyperbola. That is the shape of the graph from B taken as the y-axis, R taken as the x-axis. This is applicable for hollow conductor.